Hi, it's Shannon with the Jessica Hargis Group. I'm out here at 1204 Bluebell Court in Celina, Texas. I had a great open house day from 1 to 4. We had 6 or 7 couples through here, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of the property so that you can see some of the great features that this property has to offer. The front door right there was custom made by the owner. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It has shutters throughout. That is the formal dining or sitting, however you want to do it for yourself. And it has vaulted ceilings, and those are cedar beams. Also custom fireplace. This property sits on a Greenbelt and overlooks the Canal. This kitchen was redesigned by the owner. It has a Decor 6-burner stove, sub-zero refrigerator. That's your eating area right there. Has a fantastic backyard, and I can tell you that I'd walk out there, but this video would go too long, so I'm not going to do that. The bedrooms are on one area. The utility is on the other. It's a 3-car garage. This is a media room, and the great thing about this media room is on the back wall right there, has been framed for cutout windows in case you ever want to make this another bedroom. It is soundproofed as well. This property is very highly insulated year-round. He only has $80 in utility bills, so that's amazing. This is a barrel ceiling in the master. It has great lighting in here. And in every bathroom, I won't walk you through each one of them. This has 2 dual sinks, an extra vanity, huge walk-in closet. But every bathroom has these pebble showers. So the one thing I really like about this bathroom is that right there. Who would want that? Anyways, I'm going to wrap it up today. If you're interested in seeing this property, give me a call. I've had a great day. Would love to see you. Shannon with the Jessica Hargis Group, 214-280-9000. This property is selling for $550,000. Give me a call. Would love to hear from you. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.